We're watching right now the latest price action of Soundhound. Look at that. Wow, what an incredible rally. What happened?
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. And as you mentioned, let's take a look at the exact percentage for that breakout. In the previous video, we talked about this level, 4.20 more or less, and more than 40% to the upside. Now it's correcting from 6.20 more or less to almost 5.30 dollars. Very interesting, but we have breaking news that we want to comment with you. Maybe you have heard about them, but if not, this is the first time, or you can comment them in the comments with us. Wow, this Soundhound AI Inc., as you know, is a company related with voice artificial intelligence and something with chat AI voice assistant in cars with chat GPT, something like that. It's a complex topic, but you may know about it. And it has announced that it's now live and in production in Peugeot, Opel, and Volkswagen vehicles across 11 European markets, including Austria, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom. And by the end of July, the rollout will be extended to 17 markets in 12 different languages. So this is the breaking news that we have. Maybe this has to do with the price action that we can see in this chart. What do you think, guys? Let us know in the comments below. But this is something good, at least from what we can see right now.
Yeah, when we talk about businesses, and the best agreements they can have is like with brands, and what we have here is like an incredible agreement with Peugeot, and other vehicle brands. So that's absolutely insane in terms of revenue. Right now they are in losses. You can clearly see right here in the net income. It's not like the best moment if we see the data. The first quarter of 2024 that wasn't good. But these types of agreement and the product they are developing is something very, very promising. I remember this type of thing happened the same in Palantir at the beginning. Palantir was in losses, huge losses in the first couple of years, and then they found incredible partnerships with the U.S. government and others, and right now they are in profits. They are in an incredible net income. So obviously, this could be the same example right here.
Yeah, about Stellantis DS Automobiles, this automaker that was integrating this generative AI technology with that Soundhound chat AI product, and right now it's apparently released. We will see how it works. It will also have to do a lot with it, if it's good, if it's not, if the customers like it, and we will see how the price continues for now, because we can clearly see. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see with more detail the breakout that we have right here. In the previous video, we were talking about this level right there, and it got completely broken out, not even a retest. And from there, it is interesting to see also the price action around this level of 6 point something dollars. From there is a lot of bearish rejections. From there, they are selling around those levels. Bearish rejections, I invented a verb. But right there, you can see that rejection, and it's clear. But will they break this level and go higher, or maybe they can't and the price will go lower again, because this is just like hype and it will get over as in the past happened? What do you think, guys? Is this time different? Will we see somehow making new highs again? What do you think? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, I would say it's impossible, to get this trend. You can maybe buy the stock when it was, going up like crazy at the first couple of hours. But at this point, I mean, it's too risky, in my opinion. Remember, guys, that the next quarter is gonna be good, and that's that one another reason the stock went high like crazy after this incredible news. Because we have like an estimate of minus 0.08 in the EPS, and if you compare that data with the previous one was minus 0.12. So obviously there's an improvement right there, and the price was trading around the same area. So obviously you buy the stock at this level when it was trading at around $4. That was a good level to buy in comparison to the previous quarter, And at this particular point, obviously now it's a little bit risky, because after the release of this news, the price tend to go, it tends to go down again and rapidly. Maybe we could see the stock going back to 450 in the next couple of days.
Yeah, I think we'll see like mixed opinions, in the trading space. But of course, we want to know all your opinions in the comments below also, because this is interesting to learn and to share. You have another piece of news. Maybe this is just everything that we have. I think it is enough to create this kind of movement. Obviously, the hype is there. In the previous video, we asked, is the hype over, or the AI hype in this sense with Soundhound AI? And they just released this today. So they answered, the answer is no, the hype is there, but is here the bull strength as it was in the past, and will we see higher prices or not, is the question for this video. Let us know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. Remember to subscribe to Trading HT if you enjoyed this content, and have a nice weekend. And also tomorrow 2 more videos. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.